Hi everyone, hello. So today I'm going to talk about the millennials. Yes, the early 20s and till 35, where someone would be mostly with the family members who are put up right now, or you'd be confining lonely. So now it's more COVID-19 is a situation where not only health crisis we are undergoing, it's also about a self crisis. Yes, it's about knowing more about ourselves. So how do I handle this? I think before talking about tips about how to handle this, I would say three basic premises that you need to understand. Yes, first thing is, feeling secure is not an outside job, it's an inside job in the sense, all along we're talking about friends, we're talking, we connect with other people or other things in such a way that we feel connected. But, now we know that it's all about inner connection, that you connect with yourself and feel more secure. And that is permanent also because you're always available there 24 hours. The second one is happiness. You thought happiness is also again outside, but it's only a pleasure. So you must know the difference between pleasure and happiness. Pleasure is something where you're going to mall or shopping or talking with your friends or eating nice to a restaurant or something, which all is difference you have to know. And that's how happiness is something is an inside job where you connect with yourself in a sense. You do something which you enjoy for yourself and you just start loving with it, falling in love with yourself. Okay, third one is taking ownership. 100% your emotions are coming from your brain. It's a chemical reaction, so it is your responsibility 100% and not the ownership of the other person. So taking this into consideration, now looking for the tips of how to handle myself. The first one is, when you are alone or maybe with your family members, suppose you have a discomfort, like, the negative emotion coming in your body, like, you feel a little sad or something, whatever, immediately shift from your mind to your body. So notice your body, scan your body, which part it's coming from. So you know that you come to realize it's not you getting angry, or you are not getting anxious or not sad. It's a part of you, is getting anxious or fear. So it is now your ownership to take care of it. So self-care is what this is all about. So you cannot abandon that part. You have to talk to it nicely and very kindly to yourself. Don't need to scared. I'm going to be in the present moment right now, or I'm going to be very kind to myself, like that. So very important. So now you understand that instead of, you're not the weaker self or the lower self, you're the stronger self, the present self that right now you are. So self, this self abandonment is the only reason for feeling very insecure or disconnected, and that's the reason people feel lonely. So hereafter, instead of feeling lonely, you can always feel connected with yourself, so that you'll feel very happy and secure inside. So now, how do I shift from this victim self to my, inner, the present self, the stronger self? That is a question that you have to ask yourself often, because feeling good is the only way that you can take the right action. So how do you feel good is you have to shift from the lower self to your higher self. So how do you do that? Is first thing is, as I told you earlier, taking ownership, that knowing, understanding that emotions are coming from the brain. So therefore, it's my responsibility. So take 3 long breath, and breathe through that part of the body, and then say something nice to yourself. The second one is, no power struggle. Don't step into any kind of argument. If you're alone, don't go for any inner conflict. Either accept yourself as you are, or reduce your expectation from yourself. If you're living with the family members, you know to whom to expect and what to expect. So if you're going to have a very high expectation on the other person, where you're trying to meet your own needs, like being loved or being accepted, or being recognized, and you want people to appreciate you or people accept you, that's not going to happen always, because you're also under stress now. So this understanding you must know, and you start soothing yourself first, and then you have to reciprocate to them. So how do you that, if you're going to be conscious, that is, you're going to in the present moment, that is very important. Because as I told you earlier, if you're going to think a lot, or going to ruminate, then you're going to go to the past, or you're going to fear, again you're going to go to the future, and therefore you won't be present in the moment, and therefore you cannot handle your own emotions, or you won't handle your behavior also. Your behavior may go erratic, and then the relationship also goes for haywire. So now, taking this all into consideration, is important that how do I take care right now after knowing all this. Then start looking into yourself for what you enjoy as a child growing up. So start doing something which you really enjoy and which you love to do, like dancing, maybe writing, maybe reading, watching movies. So this time is an opportunity for exploring yourself. It's not about others. So then do something, choose a hobby for yourself, and now form a new routine for yourself, with whatever the situation is. You bring out the reinvent your true another version of yourself. So this is a great opportunity, I would say, guys. Really cool out, chill out, and the uncertainty is something is very imminent right now. So nothing can be done. The only thing control is about yourself. It's not about the situation. It's not under your control at all. So just accepting it and accepting yourself also, you can really move on, and you can see the better version of yourself always. Okay, I think this is very helpful for each and everyone. Hope to see another video.